Hello guys. Good morning guys. I know you were there and also me here. This is my third time vlogging this account guys. Shout out to my one follower. Hoping you stay tuned. Stay supportive to me because you're the only one followed me. So Facebook account, YouTube account, only one happy one follower to us. Don't worry, I will make more videos for you. Yes, I'm here hoping many people will follow me, subscribe. So my third vlogging. I pay money to go here so that you will view my vlog because you're the only one always looking at my vlogs. So hope stay healthy, stay hydrated, and stay at home. Just feel at home because my vlog for you is for only you. Oh yeah, just share and share my videos. Because yes, this one guys, no guy, because you're only one. Just always remember, I will pray for you. I will give a December gift in January for you. Bye bye. Hoping for your fast recovery.
QK ng away.
Thank you so much. Always be proud of you, my one follower.